we are in Esk in southeast Queensland. This is the second of 4 Ténéré 700 rallies for 2023. The first one took us out to Broken Hill, those epic vistas, the big open wide country. This rally is going to be a little bit different. It's a weekend event, 2-day riding, starting in Esk, going to Kingaroy and back. Tight, technical terrain, it's going to be a lot of fun. So we've got special riders invited for the weekend. Stephen Gall, multi-time Australian motocross champion, he's here. He'll be riding with Rodney Faggotter. Rodney is an Australian safari champion. He's just got back from Morocco where he raced a Ténéré. So I have plenty to talk about with the crew here, especially about bike setup and how to make a Ténéré go super fast. These rides are for Ténéré 700 owners. We've already had one in SA, this one's in Queensland. We've got another coming up in New South Wales and one in Vic. So if you've got yourself a Ténéré 700, do yourself a favour and join the crew.
I got a highlight today, so I do a bit of riding, but I got to ride with Stephen today for a while and ride. Well, I think I woke right up because he disappeared. But let me explain to you how it is for the normal person, right? Ever watch butter melt in a pan? That's what I kept thinking. It's like it's effortless. It just and they just flow. They flow. They're smooth. No lock brakes. No holy shit moments. They just flow. It's just poetry. It's been a highlight.
How's your day going today?
Yeah, fantastic. The tracks are amazing. That rocky section there through the forest, you know, like it was a bit slippery in the smooth part, but the rocky stuff where it was loose, you know, you could just light it up going down the corners there. The front was a little sketchy, and yeah, it was just so much fun.
How's your day going so far?
Pretty fun, yeah, it's good fun, I'm loving it. Yeah, the single trail stuff on them things, yeah, it's good fun, I'm loving it.
Yeah, no, it's really good. Really nice flowy rides. Good little creek crossings. Stayed upright in all the creek crossings, so I was pretty happy about that.
It was a good ride, great day. Thanks to everyone that organised it, so can't wait to do the next one.
Yeah, it was good, mate. Yeah, mate, plenty of dirt roads and stuff again, sliding around, getting used to the bike now, which is cool. So, yeah, I think I needed a weekend like this, to be honest. So, yeah, super happy with it, love it.
The creeks that followed that creek along, yeah, it was really good flowing. Yeah. And the one yesterday was magic through the forest, except for the slippery bit.
Mate, it was awesome. Had a bit of a slow leak on the way home, the last 60 k's, but yeah, we got through it. Luckily, I carry a little bike pump in the bag, but yeah, the ADV boys looked after me, and yeah, we got it home. So yeah, good.
Okay, so we're all finished up here on the Queensland Rally, the 700 Ténéré Rally, second one of the year. Went from Esk in southeast Queensland to Kingaroy. Not such a long distance, but we took the long way round, 354 odd kilometres. The scenery was absolutely stunning. The trails were mint. We had everything from water crossings, there were slippery sections, dry sand, powdery dust. A lot to keep riders on their toes, and heaps fun. A great crew. Rocked up at Kingaroy last night, Saturday night, and we had an interview with Yamaha legends Stephen Gall and Rodney Faggotter. Today, Sunday, was a cruisy ride back from Kingaroy back to Esk. Really scenic, and everyone made it home. No DNFs, no machine failures. So once again, it's a testament to those reliable Ténéré 700s. If you've got one, make sure you book on the future. There's 2 more rallies coming up, one in Victoria, one in New South Wales. Make sure you get on board on one of those. You won't be disappointed.